Tristan, and welcome to Plastic Oddities. This video is part C in my modifying the crappiest kit in the world that Bandai has ever made, which is a pretty big claim because Bandai makes awesome stuff. But yeah, this is a pretty rubbish kit. I said if you want some more information on it, watch part A in the series. Again, link somewhere. You know the rhythm. You know the rhythm. You know the pat. You know how useless I am. And I said today's video is in part 3, part C, B, C. Okay, yeah, whatever. Is to take this shoulder joint, or shoulder guard actually. So I shouldn't say shoulder joint, and to do something with it because. I don't know about you, but this big open space looks really, really bad. So let's just jump into the video and see what I did to try and make this a bit better. All right, so these are, again, keep getting out of the shot, sorry. These are the shoulder joints. Now, when it goes on the shoulder, I'll take this one off here. I need to, actually I could probably just work on this side of thing. You know, if I wanted to, I could probably add about that much more just to cover that up. But is that overkill? Yeah, it probably is a bit of overkill actually. Yeah, let's just work on this side. And then I'll come back and have a look. Okay, so what I'm proposing to do is to use some styrene. I got a couple of pieces here. It's a round, it's a big square, a little square. So I'll probably use the square, and just to put a piece of rod like that there. Guys in the shot, just like that, and then cut a piece of plaplate to then go over it. So. Really simple. 1, 2. See you in a minute. Anyway. And tweezers. As I said, this is again really simple piece of work. I can pick the bloody thing up. Nothing too difficult. Down there, line her up. Let it dry. I see. Make sure your fingers are clean because I keep pulling it away. Yeah, and put that in there. This up. And there. And that's effectively it for the extension rails. And then I'll probably use a thin, maybe this one. So the same size I used before. Actually, no, I'll probably use a thin one. And that can just go in there. Will that thickness work? No, I might go the thicker one. And we're just sitting there like that. Again, it's pretty simple stuff. So let that dry for a sec and I'll come back. Alright, so I've just cut out now. You sort of notice that this is in a triangle-ish shape. And again, I'm not measuring, which is really, really stupid on my behalf. But we want it to be able to fit. I don't know what this shape is. It's whatever that shape is. And so I just want to be able to fit it in there like that. and then glue it down, and then just cut it all up, trim it to size. Again, you know, I am not measuring this in any way. I am eyeballing it, which is really bad. But bang, there we go. So again, not too bad. Like, yeah, not too bad. A little bit of a gap, but pull it up. Shouldn't be an issue. And again, you're just ignoring that stuff that's over the top. If I wanted to, I probably could bend this around so it becomes one big part. But look, honestly, as I said, I can't be bothered. But yeah, glue that on and see what happens. And same as I did with the feet, let it dry and then sand into place. Would you believe I still need to trim that up just a touch, just a fraction. Oh, I probably just cut it too short. Oh, would you believe I got it wrong? Happy accidents. All right, so again, glue, lots of glue, love my glue. And bang, let that dry. Let one dry on, and then, as I said, we will just trim it up and go from there. And that's the piece, you know, trim to shape. Really now just need to file and sand it down. But again, pretty stoked with how that came out. Again, simple little mod, and looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. So once I sand that down into place, it'll hopefully come up a treat. Squeeze. So yeah, I'm actually quite happy with how that came out. I'm just clamping this just so it will dry in the position in the place that I want it. But obviously, yeah, I need to come in and just come across there because it's not quite level, and I need to just clean all these edges up. But you know, again, a little bit hit and miss because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. But yeah, that's come out really nicely. So again, I'll just put that aside and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of that.